In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a numbers column in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want to track numeric information. This can be any board you're already using for projects, budgets, timelines, inventory, or any workflow where numbers need to be captured clearly. Once your board is open, look across your existing columns until you find the plus icon beside them. This is where you can add a new column to expand the type of information your board can store. Click that plus icon and a menu will appear with different column options. In the search bar, type in numbers so you can quickly find the right column type without scrolling through the full list. When you see the numbers option, go ahead and select it. Monday.com will instantly add the new column to your board. After the column appears, the next thing you'll want to do is rename it based on what you plan to track. This is important because a clear column name makes your board easier to understand at a glance, especially if multiple people are using it. For example, you might name it something like budget, estimated hours, units sold, quantity, or cost, depending on your workflow. Choose a name that matches the purpose of the data you'll be entering. Once the column has been renamed, you can begin entering number values directly into the cells. Just click into the appropriate cell and type the value you want to record. Keep your formatting consistent so the information stays clean and useful. If you're tracking money, hours, or quantities, make sure everyone using the board understands what each number represents. The real value of a numbers column is how flexible it is. You can use it for totals, formulas, budgets, or general tracking across your board. That means it's useful not just for storing numbers, but also for helping you analyze your work and make better decisions. Whether you're monitoring spending, comparing estimates to actuals, or simply keeping a running count, this column gives you a simple way to organize important data. And that's how to add and use a numbers column in Monday.com. Once you set it up, it becomes a powerful tool for keeping your board more measurable, structured, and easier to manage.